track tension requires these tools: two 14mm wrenches, a track tension gauge, and a flat bar. To measure the deflection on a front track, we want to center this bar between the center of the drive sprocket axle and the center of the front wheel axle. Put the bar on top of the track, set the gauge to 15 kgs, and this is that rubber O-ring. We'll just slide it to 15 kgs. Slide this O-ring down, which measures deflection. Insert the gauge in the bar. Compress the gauge until this rubber O-ring touches this white plastic. Now read the scale between the top of the flat bar to the bottom of the O-ring. This track tension is out of specification. It's 15 kgs of force and 19 millimeters of deflection. To adjust this track tension, we'll adjust the two track tension nuts below. To adjust the track, we'll hold the track tension nut and loosen the jam nut. We'll tighten the track tension nut a few turns, and then we'll check deflection. We made the adjustment. Now we're going to confirm the deflection. I'll set the O-ring to 15 kgs, slide this O-ring down, insert it in the flat bar, push down until the O-ring contacts the white plastic. Read the scale for the correct deflection. This track is within specification. The track tension was correct in specification. So then we'll hold the track tension nut and tighten the jam nut against the track tension nut. And the adjustment is completed. Rear track tension adjustment is very similar to the front side. We measure between the center of the drive axle and the center of the rear axle with the same gauge. It's the same deflection. Push in the gauge, compress, read the deflection, and this track is within specification. The adjustment procedure is the same as the front.